Where are we today? Today, Property Runway is at one of the newest HDB clusters in the heart of Clementi. Just 12 minutes walk to Dover MRT as well as Clementi Central. This area is sandwiched between two major development centres, Jurong Lake District as well as Buona Vista High-Tech Hub. This is where all the future developments are gonna be. In this area, there are only 2 blocks here with 5-room flats. Hi, I'm Diana from Property Runway, and today we are here at this very exclusive and new clusters of HDB in Clementi available for sale. So right now, this house is actually a 5-room flat, one of the largest in this area, 1,302 square feet. Very squarish layout, as you can see, consistent throughout all the rooms. Located on the high floor, whether you're working from home or chilling on a weekend, enjoy a soft breeze and endless sunlight brightening up your space every single day. And if your family enjoys cooking as well as baking, the kitchen is a great size as well. At the end of the kitchen is a huge yard area to accommodate your entire family's laundry needs for the week. Simply the perfect space for a nice growing family. What's more, with NUS and SUSS, Singapore Poly and Ngee Ann Poly, SIM in the arena, Clementi is considered the university town with strong rentals from international students as well as professionals. Prominent schools include NUS High School of Maths and Science, Nanhua High School, as well as Nanhua Primary School. Love to move to Clementi? Call Property Runway today for exclusive viewing.